Many people around the world celebrated Earth Day yesterday, and our very own Habitat for Humanity here in Alpena is doing their part to participate through the Alpena Restore program.
The Restore has been here for 10 years, and kind of the philosophy behind it is we want to be good stewards of our environment, especially here in Northeast Michigan. It's just so beautiful here and such a great place to live.
The Habitat does this through the 4 R's of reuse, recycle, repurpose, and restore, with the goal of keeping things out of the dumpsters and landfills, which starts with recycling.
Recycling is a big part of Earth Day because, after all, that's what it's all about, taking care of the only planet we have.
But did you know?
Currently in Alpena, we're only recycling about 6% of the garbage. The rest of it's going in the ground. And a big part of recycling is trying to eliminate what goes in the ground.
We can change that. You can do your part to help protect Mother Earth, starting with recycling. And with so many bins around town, there's no reason to say no.
The locations of the bins in the city of Alpena, or city township, behind the township offices on US 23 North, there's a bin. Neiman's grocery store has a bin out behind there. There's one behind the Alpena High School, and there's 2 located here at the Habitat Restore on Chisholm Street.
But there is a proper way to recycle your items.
What we do have a huge problem with are people using those little Teflon bags that you get from Walmart and other locations around town. They'll stuff a bunch of different types of recyclings in the bag, tie it up, and throw it in the dumpster. That results in about 35% of what's otherwise a good recyclable product getting sent to the landfill and being buried in the ground.
So do your part in celebrating Earth Day, starting with protecting and reusing the resources we already have. In Alpena, this is Ashley McDowell, WBKB News.